So are you, Jess.
I know.
There was another one too, Jack, that was starting to come down.
Oh, look. It's starting to pull up the water.
Yeah. Yep.
Cool.
We're getting.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. You can send it to Bay News 9. Yeah.
I got a video.
Hey, look, Hazel, send it to Bay News 9.
Shane, we have it on video.
Shh. You guys are the Loud family.
Come on, stay down. No, stay down. If it goes all the way up, then it will turn into a tornado, right?
Oh, it just died.
Yes. Come on, remember they'll get. Don't worry about him.
Don't run out there. Don't worry about it.
No, you said it.
I know, but it's lightning now. What are you going to go out now and get it for?
But look, those clouds are twirling around right up there, too.
Yeah, hey, Jack. Matthew, get